Okay, in our last class, we talked about how we can download WordPress, and then we click here, and then we download the WordPress here. Now, on my system, I'll show you how we where the file is on my system, and this is it here. I have the file, zip file. Okay, I have WordPress here. This is WordPress here. I open it now. Okay, and this is it here. Okay, this is the file here. Okay, and let me just come back to this screen here. Okay, but today we're going to be installing the WordPress, and we talk about hosting. We have, when it comes to hosting, there's something called cPanel, something called cPanel, cPanel, cPanel. There are different kind of cPanel, but I have one I built for myself, that I set up for myself, just to be using for whatever I want to do. Now, the site we want to, I've already get this domain for my client site, which is jav.ng. Then I got the domain from here. I got the domain from here, from QServer. Because it's .ng, I have to use Nigeria service for this one. Okay, got the domain. I think the domain is here. Okay, this is the domain here. This is the domain here, jav.ng. Now, let me try and increase the volume. Okay, it's loud. This is the domain. Now, this domain name, after getting this domain name here, I change this name server. Under the domain name, there's something called name server. Then I point the name server to this server here. I will explain that to you later. Now we have account here for that domain name. I want to log into that account. Okay, and this is it. This is it. Domain name that is pointing to this account already. This is the hosting now, and then that previous one is the domain. We are going to put the WordPress inside this hosting. File manager. This is file manager here. Okay, the best place to put it is this first one, this public HTML. That's where every cPanel have this place, this part. I have some things here before. I'm going to zip them together. Let me just zip it together so that I can delete it, because I have something on the side before. Let me open the site and see what I have there. jav.ng. Okay, this is what I have there before. This one is just they need urgent site that time. This is just like urgent. This is not the main website. I want to delete this one now. I want to delete all this one now and put WordPress on this page. And this is how I'm going to do that. The one I just showed now, this is all the codes. I will select all except for this one, and then compress it. Just forget about this one because Jav old sites. This one, I just want you to imagine we just enter this page and it's empty. Okay, this is it here. Jav would file. Then I can delete every other file now. Now let me see whether I can do backup here. Okay, nothing is in this folder. I can just carry this old one here. This one I click there and copy to this folder here. Backup CWP. Okay, this is it here. Backup CWP. This is the only file here. Okay, nobody can visit this place except for me that can log into the backend. Then let me go to this public place now and let me select all and delete all the file. Okay, I just empty that place now. Now if anyone want to visit from anywhere, this is the folder they are dealing with, this public folder. Now it's empty. This folder is empty. If I come to this page now and reload this page, just see now. See. Forbidden. Nothing is there. The place just gets error now. Now I need to put WordPress here. All I need to do is to go. Let me click upload. Click here and pick the WordPress I download. This is it. WordPress 6.0 point something. Okay. Okay. WordPress is 22 MB. We're waiting for this one to upload. It's not really fast. Maybe I should just change my. Okay, it's going. But while this one is happening, there is something we're supposed to be doing now. We need to create database for our WordPress, and we just come to this place, MySQL Manager. This one too. Just see MySQL Manager. Here now, zero database, no database here. Now I'll just click add database. This database is where everything about this WordPress is going to be stored. Everything about it. Now I'll call it dot jav. Okay, this is the name, jav ng underscore WordPress. That is, let me just say WP. Now I don't want to write it down. I just want to store in like something like Google Doc or Microsoft Word. Let me just database and let me come here. Database. Let me first say database name. I'll put this one. Oh, sorry. Jav. Let me get the name again. Jav ng underscore WP. That is the database name now. Let me put it in front there. And then this one, let me copy it. But there's something called database username. I will show you. This database is like boss. Okay. But you can't access it without database username and database password. This password is meant for this username. Password. Now these two, these two very important. These two I'm going to, let me come here now. Okay, this one just finished uploading, but let me go back to where we're doing our database. Okay, leave this one like this. This one say, do you want to add user? Yes. Here I will now say jav wp user. Now I just add user to the former name, and here let me just do the same. I don't supposed to show you this, which means I'm going to try and this. Okay, I want to add this place away from you, the password of the database, but you, anything you put there will go. Yes. And let me put it in background. Okay, now database password wp. Okay, okay, database password. Okay, I just finished creating. Okay. This one, I just want to press save now. As I press saved, I'm switching back to, okay, I just press save. Now you can see the database name, database username, but the password is hidden. Now more, you can add more user, but we don't need that one. Except if you want more, so many sites to be using more. This is database now, empty database, because WordPress is going to ask for it. That's where we store all its file. Now let's visit this site. This one just in this folder. This one just finished. We are still on hosting. When I click this file manager, that time is that one pop up to a new tab here. That's why I was still able to create this one. Now let me. This is zip file. I want to remove. Let me just decompress it. Decompress is compressed now. Let me decompress it. Now after, oh, okay, you can see this folder here. Now let me open it. This is it here, but this is not where I want this or these files to be. What I'm going to do is to, what I'm going to do is to, okay, okay, let me change this. WordPress select all. I'll select all here because I want to put all this file into this folder direct. I don't want it to be inside this WordPress folder. I will now, I'll select all here and move all to the main one, to this main public folder here, and click move. Okay. Everything just show up here now. If I click here, you can see the folder where we have this one before. Before I want to delete it, and I also want to delete the WordPress itself. Okay, let this one finish deleting. Okay, this is the WordPress now. I want to delete this one too. Okay, now remember, okay, this is the folder now. I have everything here. Everything here. Okay, nothing is there now. all I need to do is to come to this page and click this. As I reload java.ng, just the thing just took me straight to installation. Okay, English US next. Okay, we say I should get ready with my stuff. Yeah, let me my database and everything. Okay, okay. Now this is where we are. I just need to do. I just need to press let's go. Okay, database name is this, right? Database username is this one. Then this one must remain like this localhost. And then I would like to leave the table 2 like this. Just leave this one, this localhost 2. But this password, I'm going to just edit it and then hide it. Okay, let me show you again. When I finish typing the password here now, I will just click submit button and then you will see the result next. Okay, okay, yeah. If the information is not correct, WordPress will bounce. Okay, now when after clicking that button, this is what happened. This is what happened. Run the installation. After I click run the installation, site name, I will just say, I'll just finish it up here. Site name is Jav. Admin username. I just want to use user. Then this password, I'm going to hide it. Confirm. It says weak, but I just want to use it anyway. Then uh, let me use something stronger later. Okay, your email. Let me put my email. Now, this is when we are going to click install WordPress. If anything is wrong during this process, it will bounce. That's it. I'm not saving it. It's to ask me to log in into the WordPress I just installed now. And if anybody try to visit it now, this is what they will see. Jav.ng. They will see this. They even send message to me that I just logged in. So they will see. Just something is there now, but it's just hello world. What I use here as user is user. Then I want to log into the website now as admin. Login. It's my browser that is complaining here. Okay, this is the back end of the website. Now our WordPress is running. I need to just close my log out from the hosting. Even close this place because the WordPress now is, oh my god, I just showed the password. The WordPress now is up and running. Okay, then Let me just close this one, even this one, and come back to this place. Okay, and this is it. This is the back end. Your site is running an insecure PHP, so which should be updated. Okay, okay. I will update the PHP. That one is something else entirely. Now, I need to create a page that we can keep here so that I want to lock people out from seeing that page. Let me just create a page and then later we will start designing. But let me create a page that people can see from this front here. I don't want people to be seeing this. Let me create a page. Okay, as I click create page, it's showing different kind. Let me close this. Title, I'll just say under construction. No, that one is too much. Let me just use home as title. For the body, let me use, let me look for image that I have under construction. Construction. Okay, okay. And I like fine image. I like fine image. Okay, something very big. Let me go to setting, something large. Yeah. And okay, okay, this is it. No, I don't like the label on it. Okay, this is one here. Okay, I can save this one. I don't like it too. I don't like it too. Under construction page. Area under construction. Coming to under construction. Okay. It's nice, but I don't like the label on it. Okay. This section is under construction. This site is under construction. Okay. Okay. Under construction. Okay, let me say this website is under construction. Uh-huh. Let me see this one. No. Okay. Okay, under construction. I like that one too, but I've used this one before. This community school. Okay. Under construction. Okay, I like this one. I like this one. Save image. Let me save it to, let me save it to this. Let me call it under, and let me save it here. And let me come here now, this page, and put image, upload, image. And let me come to this new folder. Okay, under construction, this is it. It's default, large, full size. Okay, then page setting, just want to set up something so that, okay, page setting is home. Okay, that's the name. Okay, now that I've added the image there, I will just publish this. Click publish here. After clicking publish here, I will just come to this end. See that I want to view the page. Okay, this is the page now. Let me come to this place. It won't just show up on its own. Hey, it will show this sample, it will show this home. But I want, when people just visit this site, I want them to just see this. Let me just come to this. There's a place here to do that. Okay. For no, not here. Just a job. Yes. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Long. Okay, let me go to team and see. And here you can see different kind of theme on this page. Just anyone you want to use. But let me just use, because we are not there yet. I'll just change this. We'll do that later. Mhm. This is customization. I will come here and do toggle notification. I don't need this one. Setting. Okay. First, don't want that one to edit. Select. Let me see this place. Edit. Okay. Site. Template part. Template. Editor. Single page. Back. This new updates, a lot of things have changed. But let me come here. Okay, let me update it first. And I want to stop this video. Okay, we have the latest update. Now why is it complaining? The latest update. Sorry. Jesus. Media. All. Appearance. Team. Site editor. Plugin. User. Available to user setting. Okay, setting, appearance. Okay, menu. This is what I'm looking for since. Okay, this place I'm going to create one that I'm going to call main menu. Please just forget about all this one. We are going to come to this place later. But I just want to store add to the menu. Home, save, manage, main, primary, save. Okay. Okay, yeah. I need to change this one to your call just enter now and I have to visit the call. I'm sorry. Static page. Okay, okay, okay. This is it. This is it. Okay. Publish. Okay. Reload. Okay. I need to remove all these jargons under it. This one is under it. Widgets. Widgets. This one I don't want to see it. This one I don't want to see it. Okay. Delete. Remove heading. Remove. Remove latest. Remove. Uh. Remove this. Remove this. Remove latest comment. Remove. I don't want people to see all this rubbish on the screen. Just want them to see that under construction because some people will try the site now. Okay, this one and this one and okay, that is it. Okay, search. Let me move this one to this one. Is there anything there? Anything else? Nothing else. Okay, publish. Let me go to the page and see now. Okay, okay. Whatever is there, we're going to manage it. Pending the time, we're going to. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. Okay, background image. Not doing all those things. Okay, that is it. I'm going to send, and that's all. I'll log out for today, and then next class we're going to log in with our own teams and everything that we're going to use. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Stop recording.